So hello guys, with the name of God Ram Ram, I will teach you this problem in a totally different way. I will try to make sure that you yourself develop the intuition and logic. I will not directly tell you the algorithm and the solution, so that the things penetrate deep inside your brain and you can get much higher value from this problem than it actually offers. So first let's try to understand the problem. So the problem is saying that we are giving you an array and many queries on the array, and we have to solve each query efficiently. The numbers in the array can be from 1 to 10 raised to 9. The length of the array can be from 1 to 10 raised to 5. Nums is strictly increasing. Good. Nums is strictly increasing. Nums is strictly increasing. This is a very important observation if you try to look at it very carefully. Nums is strictly increasing. Good going. Apart from that, everything looks pretty nice and pretty simple to me. Okay. Now, a harder version of the problem is also possible. What if the nums was not strictly increasing? Then also we would be able to solve this problem. It is not that difficult. It is not that difficult. Okay. Now, everyone listen to me very, very carefully. Okay. Listen up. Listen. We will try to make this question as easy as possible. And that should be enough. Okay. Though they have written nums is strictly increasing, still I am just checking. It means all the numbers in the array are distinct, right? Because if the nums is strictly increasing, it means all the numbers in the array are distinct. Good. All the numbers in the array are distinct. So what is the first observation which you should write while looking at this question? Observation number one. Very simple observation. As array is strictly increasing, it means all the numbers in the array, as array is strictly increasing, it means all the numbers in the array are distinct. Now guys, there could be a harder version of the problem which we will solve later. What if array elements were not strictly increasing? Then also a solution is possible. So as array is strictly increasing, it means all the numbers in the array are distinct. Everyone react with emojis if everyone agrees with all these observations. You agree with it, right? Good. Nice, nice. Awesome, awesome, awesome. So everything is going good and everything is going nice. Everything is so nice, right? Everything is so nice. What they are saying is that if I give you any random array, increasing numbers are there, right? So let's say you consider the range L like this, R like this. Okay. The array has only distinct type of numbers. So let's say this is the range L to R. Okay. We will talk about K later on. So they are saying consider an infinite sequence like this of positive even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 till infinity. Now travel from L to R and whichever numbers are existing in this even sequence, now delete those numbers. Okay, sir, as you say, no problem. As you say, we will just follow what you are saying, sir. Okay? Okay, sir. Great job. So, can you guys tell me in this infinite sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, which are the numbers of this infinite sequence which also exist in the subarray from L to R? Which are those numbers? Write in the Google chat. Everyone right now. 3, 2, 1. Write it. In this infinite sequence 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, which are the numbers which also exist in the infinite sequence as well as in the subarray from L to R? So whichever are those numbers, delete them from the infinite sequence. Delete them from the infinite sequence, okay? Can you guys tell me how does the infinite sequence look like if you do the deletion? How does the infinite sequence looks like after the deletion? How does the infinite sequence looks like after the deletion? It is 12, 14, 16, 18 till infinity. Now if someone is telling you, tell me the kth element in it, you can easily say if k was 1, what would be the answer? 12 is the first element of this infinite sequence. So for k equal to 1, 12 is the answer. For k equal to 2, 14 is the answer. For k equal to 3, 16 is the answer. And so on. Wow, nice, awesome, brilliant. Nice, awesome, brilliant. So guys, can anyone tell me what is the brute force solution? Like even a newborn baby can tell me the brute force solution. Whenever you are given L to R, what will you do? Tell me the full approach in the Google chat. L and R and K is given, what will you do? I will travel from L to R. Whichever even numbers are there in L to R, I will remove them from the infinite sequence. Then I will try to find the kth element from the infinite sequence. And K is a limited number, right? K cannot be infinite. K cannot be infinite, bro. Like, K can only be till 10 raised to 9, okay? Traverse from L to R and remove the common even elements from the sequence and that sequence. And that sequence you can make till very large numbers, okay? Just for the brute force approach. So guys, everyone write yes if they agree they know the brute force approach. I don't want any cheater who does not know the brute force approach. Do you know the brute force approach or you don't know? Are you cheater or are you a legal person? Tell me now. Are you legal guy? Okay, so only very few people. Okay, 5 to 10 people have written yes. Good, 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 good. Others also please start writing yes if you understood the brute force approach. And if you did not understand, then please ask me your doubt. And the people who are new in this meeting, please read the question from here. Okay, here is the question. And yes, guys, like my LinkedIn post also of today. In case you have not already done, this is the LinkedIn post of today. Okay, so make sure you like it. Do some help to me. Question भी पढ़ लो, LinkedIn post भी like कर देना. अब आगे चलते हैं. So guys, you know what? All the numbers are distinct. Brute force approach is easy. Brute force approach is easy. Observation 3. Let's say your L to R had these 5 elements. Okay, they had these 5 elements. 6, 8, 14, 16, 18. And rest of the others were the odd elements. So one thing is always clear, that ignore the odd elements of the array. They never matter. Ignore the odd elements of the array. Now someone is asking you for k equal to 3. So in this infinite sequence, they are asking you which is the third element. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Like this, there is a very big sequence, right? Then 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, like that. There's a very big sequence. Everyone react with emojis if they agree that this is the big sequence, and they are asking us which is the third element in it. You can easily say that 3 into 2, 6 is the third element. But now you cannot directly say like that. First you need to delete all these guys. So don't delete them directly. Just randomly try for k equal to 3. For k equal to 3, randomly try a midpoint. Randomly try a midpoint. So let me try the midpoint as 20. मैं अपने मन में घोषित कर रहा हूं that 20 will be the third element in the sequence. I am hoping that 20 will be the third element in the sequence. I am randomly taking any number. I am saying that in future this might be the third element. So this is what I am thinking, that this might be the third element. So guys, I am trying for 20 to be the third element. Now what will I do? Find the actual position of 20. How will you find the actual position of 20? Can you say how many numbers are there from 2 to 20? Total numbers are 9 numbers are there. You can calculate by doing maths. How many numbers are there? 9 numbers. All those 9 numbers are in the range 2 to 18. So can you find out how many numbers are from 2 to 18 in this range? You can do binary search in this sorted array, na? Sorted array of even positive numbers. How many numbers in this freaking array are less than equal to 18? Because 2 to 18 means that only, na yaar. Matlab, I hope you understand. How many numbers are less than equal to 18? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 numbers are less than equal to 18. So it means 5 numbers from here will be deleted. How many numbers will be deleted? 5 numbers will be deleted. It means 9 minus 5. 9 minus 5. 4 is the answer. So the actual position of 20 is 4. How did I figure it out? First I calculated the original old position, which is 9. Then how many numbers from 2 to 18 already exist in this array? I can find how many numbers in this array are from 2 to 18. How? By doing binary search. Because from L to R, the even positive numbers are in a sorted manner. Na? You do binary search and find out how many numbers are less than equal to 18. And every number is greater than equal to 1. So don't need to worry about 2 also. So 5 such numbers are there. Means there were 5 such numbers. Can you see? This one cut, this one cut. This one cut, this one cut. This one cut. So, okay, sorry, not 9. There were total 10 numbers, okay, including 20. There were total 10 numbers. So, 10 minus 5, 5. 20 is at 5th position. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 20 is at 5th position. So, I randomly tried the number 20. And by doing the basic mathematics, I came to know that 20 is at 5th position. And this operation took log n time. Because I had to do binary search on L2R to find out how many numbers are in the range 2 to 18 in this array. Basically, how many numbers in this range are less than equal to 18? How many even numbers in this range are less than equal to 18? Ignore the odd numbers and just focus on even numbers. So you can find using binary search how many even numbers are there in this array less than equal to 18. You can do that. Trust me, bro. Trust me. Just do a smart binary search. So guys, I randomly tried a mid value. I hope that 20 would be the answer and it would give me k equal to 3. But 20 gave me the answer as 5th position. Okay. Everyone in the Google chat react with emojis if you are ready to answer my next question. तुमने मन घड़त बीच का एक नंबर उठाया और बोला कि शायद यही मेरा आंसर होगा, शायद यही 3rd पोजीशन पे होगा, और जब इसका आंसर निकाला तो 5 पोजीशन दिखाया. कौन सा पोजीशन दिखाया? 5 पोजीशन. तो बेटा तुम ही मुझे बताओ, 3rd पोजीशन के लिए लेफ्ट में ट्राई करोगे या राइट में ट्राई करोगे? अगर 20 वाला नंबर 5वें पोजीशन पे आ रहा है आफ्टर द डिलीशन, तो 3rd वाला नंबर लेफ्ट रेंज में होगा कि राइट रेंज में होगा? भगवान ने इतना दिमाग दिया है, बताओ. I randomly tried 20 and I came to know that 20 is at the 5th position. So the number at 3rd position will be in the left hand side or right hand side. So now I will try the left range. This will be my low and 18 will be my high, and I will try at the mid section. I will now try at 12. Let's see what happens when I try at 12. Or let's try at 10. Let's try at 10. Guys, can anyone tell me if you try at 10, what is the actual place? 5 numbers. How many numbers are less than 10 in this range? Can you tell me from L to R doing binary search? How many numbers are in the range 2 to 8? How many numbers are in the range 2 to 8? Can you tell me? How many numbers are in the range 2 to 8 from L to R? 2 numbers are 2 to 8. So 5 minus 2. Arey, for 10 the answer came as 3. Wow. So guys, the double binary search is the answer. Everyone write double binary search. Double binary search is the answer. And by doing a lovely double binary search, it makes your double binary search concept so strong, right? This is called as double binary search. These types of questions are there in the course as well, by the way. Okay, clear to you people? Okay, so now listen to me very carefully. Okay, listen to me carefully. We try low equal to 0, high equal to, you try let's say 2 into 10 raised to 9. And now you will try mid as what? Mid as what? Low plus high by 2. We are hoping that the even number mid, we are hoping that the even number mid will be at the kth position. So how will you calculate the position? Position of mid is, it is always mid by 2 minus g, where what is g? G is count of numbers in the range 2 to mid minus 2 in L to R. Find this using binary search. Count of even positive numbers. using binary search in login. Now guys, what will you do? If position of mid is strictly greater than k, position of mid is strictly greater than k, then what will you do? You will update your high as what? Position k से ज्यादा आ गया, हमको तो k चाहिए था. You will update high as what? Can you tell me everyone in the Google chat? Ankur Singh, high will be mid -1. Congratulations. And guys, if position of mid is equal to k, job done. Mid is the answer. If position of mid is less than k, it means k is on the right hand side, so low equal to mid +1. So guys, double binary search here for log of 2 into 10 raised to 9 for this, because the numbers can go till 10 raised to 9 now, so it can be 2 into 10 raised to 9 the last limit, even if you're not deleting anything. So n into log n. Hard version is also possible, we will discuss it later. Now guys, write yes, clear, great, brilliant. If you liked me taking 2 sessions today I took 2 sessions. Was it okay for you? One in the morning and one in the night. Tell me. It was okay for you? Okay, let me save it.